Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. This function helps you find specific information in a table. Let's dive in. Let's say we have table with employees data and we want to find which department an employee with a specific ID belongs to. So step 1. In our table, column A, a list employee IDs. Column B has names and column C shows their departments. For example, we want to find the department for the employee with ID E003. Click on a new cell where you want the result to appear. Type is equal VLOOKUP employee ID E003, comma, range A2 to C10. 3 and type false. Bracket close and press enter. So you can see the output is completely correct. The output is E003. The department is HR. Here's how the VLOOKUP function works. E003. This is the value we are looking for in the first column of our table. A2 to C10. This is the range of our data table. VLOOKUP will search for E003 within this range. 3. This tells VLOOKUP to return the value from the third column of the table, which is where the departments are listed. False. This specifies that we want an exact match for E003. If you use true or leave it blank, VLOOKUP will look for an approximate match. So VLOOKUP searches for E003 in column A. When it finds it, it looks in the same row in column C and returns the department HR. And that's it. You have learned how to use VLOOKUP to find specific information in your data table. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips. Thanks for watching.